Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I hope all of you are having wonderful Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you and a Happy New Year. Enjoy everybody. I know this year is extremely difficult for each and every one of us. So we need to pray really hard for a better next year, and everything that comes into our life always teaches us something. And as we all know that this year, after 400 years, Saturn and Jupiter came together with Pluto. So Saturn and Jupiter was together after 400 years. So that's the reason for all our awakening and all our learning and coming to know the truth and suffering. Whenever Jupiter is active, we see extreme suffering. I am going to give thanks to the God and the universe for all the good things and bad things it brought. I'm sure the universe or God has a reason for everything, so I am not going to judge, and God obviously has a reason and He has the power to fix everything. So I'm thankful for everyone in my life, and I'm thankful for all viewers and subscribers, and thankful for all of you to watching, liking and subscribing and disliking. Whatever it is giving your time and attention, so I'm thankful for that. I'm thankful for the sky, the moon, the air, the roof over the head, the food on the table, and the friends and the family, everyone. I'm thankful for all of you, everyone in this world, good or bad. I'm thankful for them. I'm sure everyone has a purpose, and we all come here not knowing that what we are doing. So a lot of the times when we do not know that why we are here, then we do good or bad thing based on that. But the people who has done the bad thing also needs to know that the life goes on like this cycle. So we must do always good deeds, because if we do bad deeds, we're gonna have to come back again to fix all those bad deeds. So it's always advisable to do good deeds in this world and just stay in the path of light, not in the darkness, and just be kind to each other and love each other and take care of each other and pray. So at this time I'll tell everybody to come pray and pray really hard for our 2021, for the world to get back to the normal way it was, and just everybody can live, work, be happy and prosper. So that is all. But remember, 2020, this chaos taught us a lot of things. The small things that which we didn't pay attention, 2020 taught us that how amazing that is to see somebody's face, the smiling face, and little children's funny face. How awesome that is. That just makes your day to see somebody smile. So we learn to appreciate little things, the smile, the beautiful world, the people, and usually the crowd we usually used to get annoyed by in the malls. But in 2020 we realized how wonderful that was, the crowd, the Santa Claus and the long line and children sitting in Santa's lap. Those were such wonderful moments. So yes, when we have hard times, we can think about those beautiful moments and be happy, and we should thank the God that God gave us those moments, so we can keep it in our memory. We can just treasure those moments, and just when we don't have those moments, we it's like a file cabinet. We can retrieve those memories and just sit few minutes quiet in quiet place and just dwell on that memory, that how wonderful those times were. So thank you so much everybody, and let's pray hard, and good luck to all of you. Thank you. Have a very merry Christmas and very happy new year. Thank you. Bye bye. I love you all.